What if you could generate variety of professional video ads from a single product link in 45 minutes? Here's exactly how.
See this? That's my Ajo jar. Chaos. I moved our rotations to Cowber Vault. Everyone pays in, it holds the money in smart escrow, and you can track Asusi balances without chasing anybody. If you're in Nigeria, try Cowber Vault. Hit get started free. Okay, so I've been wearing these Look for the Star half shoes basically every day for 2 weeks. They slip on in like 3 seconds, weigh nothing, and somehow still look put together. If you need one shoe that does casual without any effort, this is actually it.
Those two ads were generated from single product links, one for an e-commerce brand, one for an app developer. Both cost $3 to produce. I am going to show you exactly how to do this. You will learn two complete workflows. The first is for physical product ads. The second is for app and SaaS launches. By the end of this video, you will understand how to generate professional ads in under an hour and charge between $100 and $5,000 per campaign. Let's start with workflow 1, product ads for e-commerce brands. So the first thing you do is head to Higgsfield.ai and click on Marketing Studio. On the dashboard, you toggle on the product option. We're starting with products, not apps. Now you need to add a product. You can paste a direct product link into the text box, or if you don't have one, you can click create manually and upload an image. For this example, I'm uploading an image, selecting my product, and then writing a name and description. I'm calling it a half sport shoe and describing it as lightweight design footwear. Then click create product. Next, select the avatar who's going to present your product. You can either choose from Higgsfield's existing avatars or create a completely new one. Higgsfield has a ton of avatars ready to use, but if you want something customized, build your own. Once you've picked your avatar and attached your product, you move into the settings, and this is where you shape how the entire video feels. First, you choose your content style. Basically, this is the approach your video takes. You have different options like UGC, realistic, tutorial style, unboxing, or product review. For the shoe, I'm going with product review. Then you select a hook. A hook is basically a converting opening line that stops people scrolling. Browse Higgsfield's list and pick whatever resonates with your product. I'm choosing the product is hook. Next is your scene or environment. You can go realistic or unrealistic. Realistic means a specific location like a bedroom. Unrealistic gives you more stylized options. Either way, pick what matches your product. Now you paste in a detailed prompt that describes exactly how you want the video to play out. This is optional, but it helps the AI understand your vision. You can also edit a short product description for more detail or keep it simple. Finally, set your technical specs. For social media like TikTok or Instagram, keep the aspect ratio at 9:16 for portrait view. For quality, 720p works, but bump it higher if you want more resolution. For duration, 8 seconds is the default, but push it to 15 seconds, it gives the product way more time to shine. Once everything's set, click generate and wait for your video. Your finished UGC ad will appear in your project list, ready to share with clients or use for your own brand. Now let's move to workflow 2, app and SaaS launches. The process is similar, but with some key differences. Head back to Higgsfield Marketing Studio and click the plus icon to start a new project. This time, instead of toggling product, switch to app. Enter your app URL. For this example, I'm using Cowrie Vault, a startup I'm working on. Higgsfield would generate the link for that particular website. Now, select your avatar just like before. You can choose from Higgsfield's existing avatars or create a new one. The process is identical to the product workflow. Here's where apps differ. For content style, you only have UGC. There's no product review or tutorial style like with products, but you do get to choose between desktop or mobile. Basically, this determines whether the character is holding a phone or using a laptop. I'm going with desktop, so the character uses a laptop to showcase the website. Now paste your prompt describing how you want the video to play out. Write a description of what your website or app actually does. For Cowrie Vault, I'm describing a platform that specializes in rotational savings, basically like Agile or other community savings groups. That description helps Higgsfield understand your product so the video presentation matches your brand perfectly. Set your aspect ratio the same way, 9:16 for social media posts. For duration, bump it up to 15 seconds so there's enough time to really show what the app does. Once everything is set, click generate and wait for your video to be created. You now have a professional app ad ready to charge clients for, just like the product ads. So there you have it. You now know exactly how to generate professional video ads from start to finish, both for e-commerce brands and for app and SaaS launches. Both workflows take under an hour and both cost just $3 to produce. Both are ready to charge clients for. You have two complete proven systems. Whether you are creating ads for your own brand or building a service business around this scale, you now have everything you need to get started. The technical foundation is there, and from here you can start charging clients and creating real revenue from this work. If you found this helpful, like and share this video. If you have any questions about the process, drop them in the comments and I'm here to answer them. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.